Before we begin, if this story helps you relax, you can gently support the channel by liking or subscribing. But for now, just let everything go and get comfortable. Take a slow breath in and gently breathe out. Feel your body softening. Let your shoulders relax, your jaw unclench, and your eyes rest softly.
Tonight, you are returning to something quiet, something patient, something that has always been there. Imagine you are standing in a peaceful forest, not dark, not cold, but softly lit by a gentle, endless dusk. The sky above, a calm blend of deep blue and fading gold. The air is cool, fresh, and easy to breathe. Every breath feels clean, like it's clearing something inside you. Around you, the trees stand tall, steady, calm, unchanging. Their leaves move slowly with a soft wind, a quiet rhythm that feels almost like breathing. And as you stand there, you begin to notice something. The forest is not silent. It is alive, but in a way that feels gentle. Nothing here rushes. Nothing demands. Everything simply exists. And slowly, very gently, you begin to feel that you are not just in the forest. The forest is aware of you. Not watching, not judging, just welcoming. The air around you feels warmer, softer. The ground beneath your feet becomes more comfortable, as if it's adjusting just for you. And as you take another slow breath, you may begin to feel a presence. Not a person, not something you need to understand, but something alive, kind, and deeply calm. A spirit of nature, not seen, but felt. It moves gently through the air, through the trees, through the space around you. And slowly, without any sudden movement, it comes closer. You don't need to turn, You don't need to look. You can simply feel it, like a soft warmth drawing near. And then, very gently, it begins to embrace you. Not with arms, but with presence, with energy, with something soft and caring. You feel it first around your shoulders, a gentle warmth resting there. Then, slowly, it spreads down your arms, across your chest, around your back, until your entire body is surrounded, held, not tightly, not restricting, just gently, like the forest itself has wrapped around you. The air like soft hands, the wind like a quiet touch, the trees like silent guardians. You are being held. And in this embrace, something inside you begins to soften. The tension you've been carrying, the quiet weight in your body begins to loosen. You don't need to force it. You don't need to release anything. It simply happens. Because here, you don't need to hold anything. Nature holds it for you. Feel that. A slow, gentle release from your shoulders, from your chest, from your entire body, like something heavy is quietly being lifted and absorbed into the earth, into something deep, stable, endless. The ground beneath you receives everything without resistance, without judgment. It transforms everything into calm, and you are left lighter, softer, more at ease. Your breathing slows, becomes deeper, more natural. The air flows gently in and out, and with each breath you sink a little deeper into this quiet embrace. The forest continues to hold you, patient, steady, unchanging. And now you begin to feel a deeper connection not just surrounded by nature, but part of it. Your breath moving with the wind, your body resting with the earth, your stillness matching the trees. You are not separate. You belong here, and this place welcomes you completely. Now, very gently, you begin to lie down. The ground beneath you, soft, supportive, almost like it's been waiting for you to rest. The embrace of nature remains still around you, still holding you. The sounds grow softer, the wind slower, your body heavier, your mind quieter. Thoughts drift in, but they don't stay. They pass like leaves floating on a gentle stream. You don't need to follow them. Just let them go. There is nothing here you need to think about, nothing to solve, nothing to carry. Only this moment, only this calm, only this gentle, endless embrace. And as you rest here, something inside you begins to heal. Not in a way you can see, but in a way you can feel. A quiet restoration, a soft renewal. Your body recovering, your mind settling, your heart becoming lighter. And as this continues, sleep begins to come. Not suddenly, but slowly, naturally, like night falling gently over the forest. Your awareness softens. Your breathing flows even more. Your body completely at rest. And you drift deeper and deeper into sleep, held by nature, supported, healed, loved, and completely at peace.